How we doing today? You guys doing great? Awesome, awesome. Let us know how the drinks are and your menus are right in front of you. And hope you have a good time. My name is Roberto, and I will be your sprayer.
After a long, hard day of work, it's been primed. I'm so tired. All the way around. Primer, primer, primer. I'm about to go home, take a shower. I gotta be back here early in the morning again, so it'll be fun. Tomorrow, got a lot more sanding to do. Got a lot of work still to do, even though it's got primer on it. I gotta put guide coat on it and sand it with a block and get it all nice and straight and neat and smooth. Take a little bit of while to do that, but yeah, until tomorrow. This is the inside of my 1979 bus. I am very close to getting it painted. I got some more primer work to do on it, a little bit of fine detail stuff, and it'll be getting done. There's lots of noise here at the shop. We got the air compressor running, there's air tools going on, but bear with me. We're at the back of my bus right now. I'll give you a little walk around to show you where we're at on it right now. There we go. The whole thing is now in primer. I've done a little bit of sanding on it here and there, so you'll see a little bit of the bodywork showing that through. I'm going to put a little bit more primer on it. So the inside is completely gutted. Right after it gets paint, it's going to be going to the upholstery shop. We're about one day away from paint. I got some final things to do to detail the outside and give it a final sand, but we're almost completely ready. Should be going in the paint booth today to get final primer. Then we'll sand it one more time. Sealer is going to go on first thing tomorrow. We'll lay yellow down on the bottom of the bus, and then the next day we're going to come in and do white from the halfway point up. It's going to be a two-tone bus, yellow and white. It's going to be my little Miss Sunshine.
Everybody push! All right.
Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a few minutes and address all of the doors and hatches, the sliding door, the back hatch, the deck lid, and get all those things ready for primer as well.
Let me take this opportunity to tell you about my sponsor, Mill Supply. Go to millsupply.com to get all your rust repair panels for your classic car project. Just like my Volkswagen here. Oh man, so much work. They are family owned and operated and located out of Cleveland, Ohio. Mill Supply can supply you with all the parts straight to your door. They are very easy to work with.
You know, doing this body work out here in the Florida sun is no joke. It is an arduous process, and doing it outside in 96-degree weather, the heat index is supposed to be like 106 today. Let me tell you, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears has gone into this ride. But it's gonna be awesome, and I can't wait to get it finished. It's going in the paint booth later today, so can't wait to get it done and get back to my baby Ellie over in California. Can't wait to get back.
One of the guys here at the shop was talking trash to me, saying I looked like I put on weight, but it was because my shirt looked like a dress. It was all stretched out, so I cut it off. It's almost a belly shirt now.
Ghostbusters! Yeah.
Tape up the dash too. Yeah.
Okay. Tape the dash sheet.
I got metal shavings in my shoe. It has now made its way inside the paint booth here at Stratton Motorsports, and it's about to get sprayed. It's a process. So there's panels that still need some primer. We're gonna get the whole thing done in primer. Then we're gonna take it back out. We gotta hit the entire bus with 220 grit sandpaper to get out like all the imperfections and get the finish smooth again. And then we got a spray sealer on it. We're gonna seal the entire bus. That's an extra step that you may be able to skip, but we're not going to. We're gonna put sealer on the whole bus, and then we're gonna lay down a yellow base coat on the bottom. The sealer is a white sealer, so it's good to lay color on top of it. Really, you know, makes it pop. Then we gotta let it sit. we got to put the yellow on it and let the yellow cure, and then we'll be coming back and taping it off and spraying the white from this line up. It'll be two-tone, yellow and white on the top. So excited, it's almost painted.